I wanted to demo Windows Virtual Desktop. This is a pretty simple concept, and it's a built-in feature to Windows systems, but I've known enough people that didn't know this existed that I felt it worthy of demonstrating. And it's easier to just show you than to explain what it is, so let me show you. We have a couple, or first command we need to know, it's just a keyboard shortcut, which is Windows Tab. So I will do Windows Tab, and it brings up everything that I currently have open on my desktop right now. But on the bottom here, we see a different view called, I've labeled it social media. I just renamed it social media. When I go there, I have a separate virtual desktop where the only thing is this Firefox window. So I'm going to hit Windows Tab again, and you can see it's the only thing that pops up. Now this is very useful if you only have one monitor or you're working on a laptop, because this makes it easier to organize your thoughts, makes it easier for you to separate what you're doing. Now you could just do Windows Tab and do all this, but you have a couple options besides clicking New Desktop here. Let me go to the task view or the notepad. So if you want to make a new virtual desktop, just Windows Control plus D, and let me put that in, Windows Control D, and a new desktop's been created. I will go to my task view and I can see desktop 3 pops up. But if you don't want to do the task view again, you can look at the other keyboard shortcut, which is right here, switch virtual desktop, which is Windows Control left and right. So I am currently on desktop 1. Let me go to desktop 2. So Windows Control and right arrow. And I'm on virtual desktop 2. Same thing, going Windows Control to the right, and I'm on desktop 3. And just going back to the beginning. Really, the only other thing is to mention the obvious, but even though you have stuff open on separate virtual desktops, your total system resources, it's still going to build up. But really, other than that, there's nothing else. I just thought this came in handy. I use it pretty frequently.